You want to upgrade your monitor, but you're not quite sure what you're working with or what your laptop can support. Well, your first best stop is always to look at the specs online if you're able to dig that up. Depending on the manufacturer, it might be more difficult to find that out. So, an alternative to that is to look at a chart of ports, and I can steer you to one. PRRcomputers.com on their blog, the Ultimate Connectors Chart. It's a very handy breakdown of just about every port that's out there. Not all of them are going to be monitors, but you can use it as an easy compare for what you see on your laptop and matching that up with what's out there. Now, traditionally, you're going to see screens that are going to fall into a couple different things. They can fit into the USB Type-C connector. That's a possibility. Also, it's likely going to fit into either the display port, the mini display port, or the HDMI types. Now, you may have an older style, which could be VGA, but that's not a recommended thing to really stick with if you can help it, because that's fast going out of style. And I imagine before too long, it's just going to become a deprecated item, and it'll be almost impossible to find replacement parts for it. So stick with those that I've mentioned, compare with what you have on your laptop, and use that as a guide for what you buy when you go shopping for your screen. Happy hunting!